In today's video, we are going to look at Teespring payment methods. There are two payment methods supported by Teespring, and we are going to discuss about the setup process for both the methods, and also we are going to discuss about which particular method you should use and why you should use that particular method, and also we are going to discuss about the payout duration. When can you expect your payment from Teespring? So all these details are going to be covered in this video. With that being said, now let's get started. What payment methods are supported by Teespring? Currently, Teespring supports Payoneer and PayPal as your payment method. Let's see how you can set them up. Setting up your payment method on Teespring is simple and straightforward. First, log into your Teespring account and then go to the top right corner, click on this drop down menu and go to settings page. Once you are on your settings page, scroll down to the payment settings section. On the payment settings section, you'll find both the options. One is to use your PayPal address to receive the payment. The second option is to connect your Payoneer account. So these are the two options that you can use to get paid. And for this particular account, I have connected the Payoneer account. Also, it is not mandatory to set up both the payment methods. You can set up either of these two payment methods that you prefer to get paid from Teespring. Since I have already connected Payoneer to this particular account, let's look at setting up your PayPal address as a payment method. To set up PayPal, go to this section and enter your PayPal email address here, and again type the same PayPal email address in the second box and click set PayPal address. Once you click this button, you will receive a confirmation email from Teespring. Go to your email account and find that particular email and click the confirmation link. So once you click that link, your PayPal account setup will be complete. So that's it. That's how you can successfully set up your PayPal account on Teespring and receive payments on a regular basis. Now let's look at how you can set up your Payoneer account on Teespring. Since I have already connected to this particular account, I'm going to open a demo account and show you how you can connect your Payoneer to your Teespring account. If you have not connected any payment method, and for this particular section, this is how it is going to look. Connect your Payoneer account now. Don't have a Payoneer account, in that case you can go ahead and create one from this particular area. But since you probably would already have, go and click this particular one, connect your Payoneer account now. So once you click that, it will redirect to another page. Basically it is going to take you to the Payoneer sign up page. If you already have an account, then go and click this particular button. Already have an account? Yes, click here. So once you click that, it will pop up another window. Basically it will ask you to go ahead and sign in. Since I already have connected my account to another Teespring account, since this is a demo account, I'm not going to do that. But basically what you would need to do is you have to sign in to your Payoneer account, and then it'll show you another box where you have to allow or approve Teespring send you payments to your Payoneer account. So that's the step you need to do. Once you do that, then you're all set. You can start to receive payments to your Payoneer account from Teespring. So which payment method should you use to withdraw money from Teespring? Personally, I would say to use Payoneer because the rates are much better in Payoneer when you compare it with PayPal. So that's the reason I'm using Payoneer. Feel free to go and search up for the fees or the exchange rate that you see for PayPal and Payoneer and make your own decision. But if you ask me which one do I recommend you to use Payoneer. As simple as that. Now let's see when you can get paid from Teespring. So there are two parts to this particular information. The first part is the print cycle. So you can request for the payout only when the print cycle is over, and the print cycle usually takes for 3 days. The cycle goes for 3 days and after that it ends. So once the print cycle ends, after that you can request for a payout. So once you request for a payout, again it depends. So if you are going to request payout for the first time, let's say you are getting paid for the first time, in that case they take at least 7 days to process it. Usually it will be done in 7 days. I think it's the maximum number of days is 7. So after 7 days you should be able to receive the money in your bank account, either on your PayPal or on your Payoneer account, then eventually in your bank account. And if it is going to be your second or the third payout request, in that case same thing, you can expect it to be processed within 1 or 7 working days. So if it is going to be a holiday, that's not counted. It's 1 to 7 working days. So that's how it works. And also there are more information about details like why there can be some delay in the payout process. So all these informations are available in this particular article. It is from Teespring, I will leave a link to this particular article down below in this description box, so feel free to go ahead and check it out, and this should address most of your questions and concerns. If you still have any other questions apart from what you see here, then feel free to put them in the comment box below this particular video. I will gladly answer all those questions. That's all. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If yes, please give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Teespring or anything related to making money online. That's it. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye from Sid. Take care. Have a great day.